Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix microphone not showing up on Windows 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy, click Microphone. Turn on microphone access for this device. Turn on Allow apps to access your microphone. Turn on Allow desktop apps to access your microphone. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Run the troubleshooter under Recording Audio. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, open Sound. Click Recording tab, select Show Disabled Device and also check Show Disconnected Devices. Select Microphone, click Set Default, click Properties. Select Use this device enable, click Levels tab, change microphone levels, click Apply, click OK. Click Communications, check Do Nothing. Fourth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand audio input and outputs, right-click microphone, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers, click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Fifth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand audio input and outputs, right-click microphone, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select microphone model, click Next. Sixth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand audio input and outputs, right-click microphone, click Uninstall Device, uninstall. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.